Okay, so that was my room right there, right above the door, looking over the ocean and all the pools. And we got this nice big pool here, hot tub. We're at the Canaveral Seashore, and we're going to be using the A7c by Sony and a Tamron zoom lens.
Roger that.
And see if we can get some nature shots out here and enjoy our day. Okay, so the first stop on this trip where we're going to be using the A7c and our Tamron is the Turtle Mound, which it's got historical stuff, jazz, but let's not look at the history. All that stuff's always sad. Let's just enjoy the beauty of it, okay? We'll get as many shots as we can here, and then we'll keep on moving down the National Preserve. Goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles. So we got a lot to look at, we got a lot of places to go, so let's get at it. Okay, so honestly, since I've switched to manual, everything has been 1,000 times easier to line up, get it in focus, and get what you want as opposed to fighting with the autofocuses. Especially in places like this where there's so much gradient between you and the topics and things like that. Whereas when you're in an open field, yeah, sure, you can definitely use autofocus if there's nothing between you and your subjects. But in a place like this where it can be so dense, definitely using manual focus helps. Like, we're a good 35 feet in the air right now, and you still haven't reached the top of what you see when you look at the Everglades. Alright, so far I haven't seen any nature, but lots of architecture in nature, which I really love. Ooh, finally, something. Got a boat out there. Let's take a shot of that. Okay, now we're just still climbing and climbing and climbing. I'd say we're a good 60, 80 feet in the air now, maybe 100. We're way up here. Let me give you a better view. Okay, so still no animals, but lots of nature, lots of beauty. hope there's more somewhere else around here. So let's take this little traily daily. Look at this little opening. Let's see if we can get a pretty shot here. Well, still walking around. It's beautiful here. Wonderful day. But we might move on to the next park in this park. So see what else we can find real quick at this spot, and then we'll move on. Watch the roots. So they don't get bit by a snake or something, but I wanted a shot of this wall. Should I brave trying to go further? Ooh, look at that cactus. So I was all excited. I thought I found another trail, but it was just a little circle going back to the parking lot. This was a very, very tiny place. So we're gonna move on. Oh my God, and there's our car. It's looking beautiful back here. Ooh, look at this. Okay, that's interesting. Was it like a chicken coop? Hello? Hello? Alrighty, now we're coming up the water side of the back of the house. And there it is. I can't even remember what the hell it was called from 10 seconds ago. The kombucha house, sure. Yeah. It's so funny, I love houses on the water because they make kind of the front of the house, the back of the house, because it's always facing the water. So this is it. Look, it's another one of these like sunken house thingies. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's where you keep the bad children. That's what it is. You see, the fronts of the houses are like unkempt, weird, like they're not even fronts. You don't even want to look at it. The back of the house is where it's all beautiful and stuff for the boats that drive by, not the people that come up to the front. Beautiful. Let's take a shot of that. See all that on the ground? That's from boar. That's from a bunch of big old piggies making a nest for the night. And don't get it twisted, those pigs will kill you in a heartbeat. Nothing else, break your legs, but they will kill you and eat you fast. So, if you're going to be trekking out here, oh, scare the shit out of me. So if you're going to be trekking out here, please be careful. There's another boar bed. Huh. Okay, that's the parking lot ahead of us. Once again, that was a very, very short, tiny, little, small walk of nothing. Very, 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 very short. Okay. So I got a cool picture of a spider, I think. It's the only animal I found. Everything else was all flora. So, let's move the on. Okay, here we are at the infamous Pier 5. It's a clothing optional beach, so I'm going in. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, we have stopped at every single little park entrance thingy. We even did the nude beach and got some sun on the buns, which is good. They needed some sun. So we're gonna roll back to the hotel, pick up our stuff, try to get on the road because I think checkout is in like any minute. I'm trying to fit everything into everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed running around the park, looking at stuff, checking out more of this Insta360-X3 footage, and the Sony A7c with the Tamarin lens. Hope you enjoyed all of that. Don't forget to unleash yourself and do more. Give it a shot. A squid shot.